Right now, deep inside your brain, your hippocampus is quietly deleting memories you haven't even finished making, and the neuroscientists who discovered this admit they can't stop it and aren't sure they'd even want to. You think forgetting is a flaw, a glitch in your wiring, the name of a conversation slipping away an hour after you heard it, a fact you studied last night already gone by breakfast. But your brain isn't failing you, it's making a decision. Somewhere in your skull right now, cells that hold your memories are being silenced on purpose, one by one while you sit here unaware it's happening. This isn't decay, this is design, and it's rewriting what you'll remember about today before today is even over. Here's the part that should unsettle you. Your hippocampus, your memory's filing system, doesn't just store experiences, it grades them. Every event you live through gets encoded into a cluster of cells called an engram, a physical trace of that memory sitting inside your neurons. But most engrams never get flagged as important, so a separate process moves in and switches them off. Not deleted, silenced, locked in a drawer your conscious mind can no longer open. Researchers have proven this using mice and light-activated genes. They can find a forgotten memory sitting dormant in the tissue and flip it back on with a beam of light. The memory was never gone. Your brain hid it from you, on purpose. Right now, as you listen to this sentence, cells are already deciding whether the last one survives the day. And here's why the experts can't fix it. This isn't a bug they're chasing a patch for, it's a feature evolution selected for on purpose. The same forgetting circuitry that erases your grocery list also protects you from being buried alive under every sensory detail you've ever absorbed. Scientists who study this, people like the memory researchers at the University of Toronto, will tell you plainly, a brain that remembered everything wouldn't be smarter. It would be paralyzed. Every decision would drown in irrelevant data. So forgetting isn't your hippocampus malfunctioning. It's your hippocampus protecting you from you. Which means there is no drug, no supplement, no hack that turns this system off completely, because turning it off wouldn't upgrade your mind. It would break it. So if forgetting is unavoidable, you'd assume the fix is simple: study harder, review more, drill it in until it sticks. Here's the twist. Rereading your notes 10 times can make you forget faster, not slower. Passive repetition feels productive, but to your hippocampus it looks like nothing happened, no risk, no effort, no signal worth keeping. This is also why some people who meditate on a memory, replaying it gently over and over, trying to hold on to it, watch it fade even quicker. Comfortable repetition doesn't tell your brain this matters. It tells your brain this is safe to file away. Effortless review is, neurologically, a request to be forgotten. So what actually stops the silencing? High performers exploit a mechanism most people never learn exists: retrieval-induced strengthening. Your hippocampus doesn't protect memories because you touched them. It protects memories because you struggled to reach them. Every time you force yourself to recall something right at the edge of forgetting, not rereading it, but reaching for it blind, failing a little, then finding it, you send a chemical signal that says, tag this one, keep it active. Neuroscientists call this desirable difficulty. The discomfort isn't a sign you're doing it wrong. The discomfort is the mechanism. This is why elite performers who rely on memory, surgeons, pilots, chess masters, almost never simply reread material. They quiz themselves before they feel ready, deliberately, on a schedule tuned to how fast their own hippocampus tends to prune. They are, in effect, negotiating directly with the exact cells trying to silence them, and winning one retrieval attempt at a time. You can use this tonight before you sleep in under a minute. Don't reread today's notes. Close them. Try to recall 3 specific things you learned or did today without looking. Force the reach. Let it feel uncomfortable, then check what you missed. That single act of effortful recall, done right before sleep, rides the same replay window your hippocampus uses overnight to decide what survives into tomorrow. You are, quite literally, casting a vote in a silent election happening in your skull while you sleep. Skip it, and the default answer is forget. But the hippocampus isn't the only region making decisions about you without your permission. There's another structure, sitting just beside it, that does the opposite. It refuses to let go of exactly the memories you're begging to forget. And unlike this one, nobody's found a way to negotiate with it yet.